Welcome. In today's video, I'll show you how to enable notifications for when your friends tag you on Facebook using the latest PC app update. If you've noticed that you're not getting alerts when someone tags you in a post or photo, don't worry, this quick guide will fix that so you never miss a tagged moment again. First, open the Facebook app on your PC. Once it loads, look at the very top right corner of your screen. You'll see your profile photo. Go ahead and click on it. This will open a small menu with several options. Next, find and click on Settings and Privacy. This section controls everything related to your account preferences, security, and notifications. Once that expands, select Settings. You'll be taken to a new page where all your Facebook settings are organized into categories. Now, on the left-hand menu, click on Notifications. This is where you can adjust all the alerts Facebook sends you, from comments and reactions to tags and mentions. It's basically your control center for staying up to date. Once you're in the notification section, scroll down until you find tags. Click on it to open the tag notification settings. Under tags, you'll see different options, including one that says Friends. Choose the Friends option so that Facebook will notify you whenever one of your friends tags you in a post, story, or photo. That's it. You've successfully enabled notifications for tags from friends on the new Facebook app for PC. From now on, every time one of your friends tags you, you'll get a notification right away. It's a simple adjustment, but it keeps you connected and ensures that you never miss the post you're part of. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick tech guides just like this. Thanks for watching.